Hello, my name is Chris. Typing is an essential skill for any computer work. Knowing how to type quickly without looking at the keyboard makes using a computer easier. I learned how to type from school and games based around improving typing skills. Maybe I'll make one of these games one day. Typing speed can be measured in words per minute. There are tools online that can tell you how fast you type. We can use these tools later to measure progress. For now, let's get started. Finger placement. Proper finger placement is the starting point for typing. This is assuming a standard keyboard. Begin by placing your left pinky finger on the A key in the middle left row of the keyboard. Now with each finger moving from left to right, place the next ring finger on the S key, the next middle finger on the D key, and the next index finger on the F key. Your left thumb will rest on the left side of the spacebar. You will skip the middle G and H keys and put your right index finger on the J key. Moving through each key and each finger on your right hand from left to right, put your next middle finger on the K key, the next ring finger on the L key, and next pinky finger on the colon or semicolon key. Your right thumb will rest on the right side of the spacebar. Your resting position should look like this. You want your resting position to be with each of your fingers lined up so you can reach any other key on the keyboard without moving your hands. This is the reason for the placement of your hands resting in the middle with one finger on each key. Memorizing where to move each finger to reach every other key will become muscle memory once you learn where each of the other keys are. For reaching the other keys on the rows above or below, you want to use the finger resting closest to those keys so that each finger only stays on the key it is on or goes up or down one key, except for numbers or special characters. Memorize each finger and the key it is assigned to, then look at what keys are above and below it. For example, the left pinky finger rests on the A key. Above the A key is the Q key. Below the A key is the Z key. The left pinky finger will be used for the A, Q, or Z keys. The left ring finger rests on the S key. Above the S key is the W key. Below the S key is the X key. Therefore, the left ring finger will be used for the S, W, and X keys. The exception to this rule will be your index fingers on both hands, since they also have to reach a bit further for the keys in the middle. Between your index fingers are the G and H keys, which have the T and Y keys above them and B and N keys beneath them. Your left index finger rests on the F key with R above and V below. Your left index finger will also cover the G key, T key above that, and B key beneath that. Your right index finger rests on the J key with U above and M below, but it will also reach over to the H key, the Y key above that, and the N key beneath that. With this concept of finger placement and moving the fingers within a reasonable range from their resting places, the priority will be memorizing where each of the keys are and how to reach them. First, look at the keyboard and think about how it is arranged. There are 3 rows for the primary keys you'll use most of the time, arranged with mostly letters but some special characters on each end and numbers above. The ordering of numbers is simple, as numbers go across the top from 1 to 9 and then 0. The letters are not organized in a similarly self-explanatory way. The top row of the keyboard, for example, is Q, W, E, R, T, Y, U, I, O, P. That's why sometimes standard keyboards are called QWERTY keyboards. The middle row is A, S, D, F, G, H, J, K, L. The bottom row is Z, X, C, V, B, N, M. To begin, start by memorizing what each key of your fingers is resting on by typing with each of your fingers without moving them. Then move each finger up and down to figure out what other keys it will be responsible for. Use a visual aid such as a keyboard layout, print, or picture, such as on this video, to help. Practice learning each of the fingers' assigned keys. You want to get to the point where if you think of a letter, you know which finger is assigned to it. But realistically, once you learn which finger controls which keys, it will become almost autonomous to the point you don't have to think about it. At that point, controlling a keyboard will be no different than controlling your fingers, where you think of a letter or word, and you move your finger muscles to make that letter or word come to life the same way you would move your arms or legs to do any other task. Now let's do an exercise to think about finger placement. Well, let's type the alphabet. A. Where is A? Use a visual aid or look at the keyboard if you need to. A is in the middle row on the far left, assigned to your left pinky finger. Where is B? Bottom row, in the middle, assigned to your left index finger. Where is C? Bottom row on the left, assigned to your left middle finger. Take note that some of these keys may be easier for you to reach with your index finger than your middle finger, or for other fingers in general. If you find it more comfortable, then do it. The point is not to have rigid assignment, but a default position where you can type without thinking about it by knowing where the keys are relative to your finger placement. Now where is D? Middle row, on the left assigned to your left index finger. Where is E? Top row, on the left assigned to your left middle finger, right above D in fact. Where is F? Middle row, in the middle assigned to your left index finger, to the right of D. Where is G? Middle row, in the middle assigned to your left index finger, to the right of F. Where is H? Middle row, in the middle assigned to your right index finger, to the right of G. Where is I? Top row on the right assigned to your right middle finger. Where is J? Middle row in the middle assigned to your right index finger. Where is K? Middle row on the right assigned to your right middle finger, to the right of J. Where is L? Middle row on the right assigned to your right ring finger, to the right of K. Where is M? Bottom row on the right assigned to your right index finger. Where is N? Bottom row in the middle assigned to your right index finger, left of M. Where is O? Top right on the right assigned to your right ring finger. Where is P? Top row on the right assigned to your right pinky finger. Where is Q? Top row on the left assigned to your left pinky finger. Where is R? Top row in the middle assigned to your left index finger. Where is S? Middle row on the left assigned to your left ring finger. Where is T? Top row in the middle assigned to your left index finger. Where is U? Top row in the middle assigned to your right index finger. Where is V? Bottom row in the middle assigned to your left index finger. Where is W? Top row on the left assigned to your left ring finger. Where is X? Bottom row on the left assigned to your left ring finger. Where is Y? Top row in the middle assigned to your right index finger. And where is Z? Bottom row on the left assigned to your left ring finger. Now we have reviewed where each of the letters of the alphabet are and which fingers they're assigned to. The next exercise will be to replace the letter you want to type with the finger it is assigned to. Try thinking about each letter as a placeholder for that finger until you get a feel for how to type that letter. When you think of it that way, A, Q, and Z can all be replaced with the left pinky finger. We want to go through all of our fingers and review which keys they're assigned to. Moving from left to right and top to bottom, we'll start with our left pinky finger. Our left pinky finger is Q, A, and Z. Our left ring finger is W, S, and X. Our left middle finger is E, D, and C. Our left index finger is R, F, and V, as well as T, G, and B. Our right index finger is Y, H, and N, as well as U, J, and M. Our right middle finger is I, K, and the comma special character. Our right ring finger is O, L, and the period special character. Our right pinky finger is P, the semicolon special character, and the slash special character. Both of our thumbs go on the spacebar. Now, we're going to try to type the alphabet without looking at the keyboard. Place your fingers in their resting positions and go through the alphabet from A to Z. If you get stuck, reference a visual aid for finger assignments, and I will do the exercise with you by speaking the finger reference for each key as you type. A. Left pinky. B. Left index. C. Left middle. D. Left middle. E. Left middle. F. Left index. G. Left index. H. Right index. I. Right middle. J. Right index. K. Right middle. L. Right ring. M. Right index. N. Right index. O. Right ring. P. Right pinky. Q. Left pinky. R. Left index. S. Left ring. T. Left index. U. Right index. V. Left index. W. Left ring. X. Left ring. Y. Right index. Z. Left pinky. Now try it again, but try to do it in under a minute without any visual or audio aid. If you get stuck, keep note of how far you made it and reference any of the visual or audio aids.